everyone, I'm back with yet another one brand makeup tutorial. This time I'm using all Maybelline products to get this look. So let's get started with the video. Firstly, I'm moisturizing my lips with Baby Lips. Then I'm mixing these two foundation today and I'm applying it all over my face with fingers, and then I'm going to blend it with the beauty blender. So this is how it looks after blending. So for now, let's move on to eyebrows. I'm filling my eyebrows with that eyeshadow right there. And that's all for eyebrows. Then I'm using this concealer to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. So I'm applying that and blending with the beauty blender and then setting it with the compact. Then I'm using that shade for my crease. I'm slowly building that color. Then I'm going to do same on the other eye. Next I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm going to deep my crease like so. Then I'm going to blend it nicely. Then I'm taking that black shade from another nudes palette and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids first. I'm first going to place it and then I'm going to blend both the lid color and crease color together like this. I'm just going to blend it and reapply it. So next up I'm taking that dark green shade. I'm going to apply it with my fingers and I'm going to blend it all together. Once I'm done blending all these eyeshadows, I'm going to use this golden eyeshadow for my center of the lids. I tried applying it with the brush but it did not work well, so I used my fingers and it worked okay. And I'm not big fan of this eyeshadows, but I had to use this. I'm using. So once I'm done applying it, and I'll make sure everything is blended nicely. Next I'm using this Colossal KAJAL for my tight line and waterline. Then I'm using this golden eyeliner today for lining my eyes. I'm just going to do normal wing liner. I'm not going to do too thin or too thick, just a standard wing liner. I felt this looked different and pretty, so I wanted to do something different. So I tried this golden wing liner, and this is how it looks after winging. Then next up I'm going to apply concealer and I'm going to blend it all together. Then I'm going to set my face with the compact. So for my lower lashes, I'm going to use same eyeshadows I used earlier for the eyelids. Then I'm curling my lashes and using this mascara and coating my upper and lower lashes. Next up I'm using this contour palette and I'm going to contour my face. Like, I'm not going to do contour thing, but I'm going to bronze up my face with this and use this as a blush also. So yes, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to make sure everything is blended nicely. Then I'm using that golden shade for highlighting my face. I'm going to highlight my highest points as usual. Then after that I'm going to use this nude lipstick for my lip. I'm not going to do like bold and all. This looks neat and eyes are dramatic as well, so I wanted to go for nude lips. Then I'm going to set my face with that Kiss Beauty spray. So with that I finished this video, this one brand makeup tutorial. I hope you all liked it and it was helpful. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you all so much for watching.